Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Verify your Google account and enable two-step verification so you can access monetization settings securely. Once done, check your channel metrics. You need 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 public watch hours or 10 million shorts views in a 90-day period, so measure progress in YouTube Studio. Next, optimize channel branding and about info. This prevents simple rejections. Make sure your content follows policies now, so when you apply, you don't waste time. You now start the formal application inside YouTube Studio under Monetization and follow each prompt carefully. Next, create or link an AdSense account. This is required to receive payments and verify your identity plus payment details. Incomplete AdSense setup halts payouts. Then choose which features to enable: ads, channel memberships, super chat, and merchandise. Pick what fits your audience. While applying, double-check policy sections and content ownership, because automated and human reviews focus on those exact elements. You finish by monitoring the review status. It can take days to weeks, and meanwhile continue publishing compliant content to demonstrate channel activity. If your application is denied, read the provided feedback, correct policy violations such as reused content or copyright strikes, and then reapply. YouTube allows appeals or resubmissions after fixes. One troubleshooting tip: if monetization stalls, check AdSense holds or identity verifications first, because those common blockers often cause delays even after approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.